Hello everyone, this is the ExamClouds channel and my name is Tatiana. In today's video, we'll talk with you about the history of Java. The Java language appeared way back in 1996 and was originally called Oak. The package was named JDK 1.0. The language's authors are considered to be James Gosling, Patrick Naughton, and also Bill Joy. The Java language was developed based on the popular C++ language of the time. In 1997, Oak was already renamed to Java. There are several versions regarding the origin of the language's name. The first version of the name, of course, is after the Java coffee brand, which in turn was named after the island of Java. And that's why the Java logo features a cup of coffee. The second version of the name relates to an allusion to a coffee machine. As an example of a household device, the language was originally created to program. The next version of Java also came out in 1997, and the package name was renamed from JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, to Java 2 SE, Java 2 Standard Edition, and the language line was called Java 2 in 2002, the third and fourth versions of Java were released, but the language line still This Java 2 name became so ingrained that many books were published called Java 2, but which actually described subsequent versions of Java. With the release of Java's fifth version, marketers finally decided to change the name, and it became Java 5, with the package name changed to 5.0. The fifth version of Java introduced quite a lot of changes. Enumerations were added, annotations, generics, varargs, ferrich, JavaDoc, and auto-boxing and unboxing. In the sixth version of Java, the main changes involved collections. Interfaces like navigable set and navigable map were added. And also look, the package name was slightly changed again. Now it's called Java SE6 Java Standard Edition. The seventh version of Java introduced innovations like using the string class in switch blocks, multi-catch exception, try with resources, underscores, in numeric literals, and the use of binary numbers. Also note that 5 whole years passed between releases 6 and 7. This was likely because in 2009 the company Sun Microsystems, which owned Java, was acquired by Oracle. This was certainly not the best time for Java developers, as during this period, other languages began actively developing, notably Kotlin, which was based on Java. The eighth version of Java was also very important. It introduced long-awaited innovations like lambda expressions, which were already in other languages, related method references, and constructors, functional interfaces. Static methods in interfaces were also added, and the default keyword. A new API for date handling was added, as well as streams for working with collections. The ninth version of Java added private methods in interfaces, a modular system, and some improvements to the Stream API. The 10th version of Java added the var keyword. And starting from this time, the decision was made to release 2 versions each year. So one Java version comes in September and a second version comes in March. That was a brief history of Java and the ExamClouds channel. Subscribe to our channel, don't forget to like, and also visit our website, examclouds.com. Goodbye everyone.